Right now, hidden deep inside your abdomen, your body produces a biological fluid so powerful it can literally dissolve solid meat in a matter of hours. This fluid is completely essential for your survival. But for millions of modern people, a microscopic glitch is causing this highly reactive fluid to activate in the wrong place, at the exact wrong time. Imagine waking up every morning feeling heavy, bloated, and mentally exhausted, no matter how many hours you slept. You might blame it on stress, getting older, or simply a bad mattress. But biologically speaking, there is a terrifying mechanism that researchers are now exploring. For many people, that intense morning fatigue is actually the result of their own body quietly beginning to digest itself from the inside out. If you regularly wake up with an unexplainably swollen, bloated stomach, a heavy sluggishness in your limbs, and a lingering brain fog that makes it hard to focus, do me a favor. Hit the like button and type "exhausted" in the comments below. You need to know that you are not just being lazy. Your body is likely trapped in a biological panic response, and the true cause is hiding in an organ you probably never think about. Today, we are going to look under the microscope to explain a fascinating and slightly terrifying biological event. We will uncover why modern habits cause your digestive enzymes to leak, how this creates a systemic alarm in your immune system, and exactly how you can turn off the internal fire that is destroying your energy. To understand why your body attacks itself, we have to look at the pancreas. When most people think of the pancreas, they only think about blood sugar and insulin. But the pancreas has a second, much darker job. It is a high-powered biological factory that manufactures digestive enzymes. The most aggressive of these are proteolytic enzymes, chemical scissors designed specifically to tear apart complex proteins. Because your own organs are made of protein, these enzymes are incredibly dangerous. If the pancreas simply released them in their active form, it would instantly destroy itself. So, biology created a brilliant safety mechanism. The pancreas packages these enzymes into inactive, dormant little bundles called zymogens. They are supposed to travel safely down a biological tube, into your gut, and only activate once they mix with the food you just ate. But here is where the modern lifestyle creates a biological disaster. Due to heavily processed diets, constant late-night eating, and chronic hidden inflammation, the pancreas becomes violently overworked. The pathways become sluggish, and when the system backs up, a terrifying glitch occurs. Those powerful protein-dissolving enzymes wake up prematurely. They activate while they are still inside the pancreas or the surrounding tissues. When this happens, the enzymes do exactly what they were programmed to do. They start digesting whatever protein is nearby. They begin to literally eat away at your own cellular tissue. This creates microscopic damage, and some of these active enzymes slowly leak into your bloodstream. When protein-dissolving enzymes enter your blood, your body's survival instincts take over. Your immune system detects that your internal tissues are under attack. It immediately rings a massive biological alarm, deploying white blood cells and flooding your system with inflammatory chemicals called cytokines. This is what scientists refer to as systemic inflammation, and it is the exact reason you wake up feeling like a zombie. Your immune system requires a staggering amount of energy to fight a war. While you were sleeping, your body wasn't resting or repairing your brain. It was burning through your cellular energy reserves trying to neutralize the leaked enzymes and put out the internal fire. You wake up exhausted because on a microscopic level, you just ran a biological marathon. This internal panic mechanism also explains the severe brain fog. In previous videos, we talked about how the gut-brain axis uses the vagus nerve to communicate. When your abdomen is severely inflamed from leaking enzymes, distress signals are constantly fired up to your brain. This prevents your nervous system from dropping into deep restorative delta sleep. Your brain never gets the chance to run its nightly power wash, leaving yesterday's toxic metabolic waste trapped inside your skull. Furthermore, this ties directly into cellular hydration, which we explored recently. Your pancreas requires massive amounts of hydrated fluid to safely flush its enzymes down into your gut. If you are chronically dehydrated on a cellular level, these digestive juices become thick, sticky, and slow-moving. This drastic lack of biological water is one of the primary triggers that causes the enzymes to get stuck and activate too early. To stop this cycle of auto-digestion, you have to cool down the biological fire. You have to signal to your pancreas that it is safe to rest. This means respecting natural digestive windows by avoiding heavy, complex meals right before bed, giving your organ time to clear its pathways. It also requires introducing powerful, natural plant compounds and antioxidants into your system. These specific plant nutrients act as biological coolants. When they enter your bloodstream, they help neutralize erratic inflammatory markers and soothe the irritated tissues surrounding your digestive tract. because sourcing and preparing the wide variety of antioxidant-rich whole foods required to consistently calm the systemic inflammation can be highly difficult for someone with a busy schedule. Some people choose to complement their nutrition with a concentrated greens formula. By combining dense plant extracts, cellular antioxidants, and digestive support nutrients into a single daily drink, these formulas can act as a practical tool to help quiet the biological alarms. They provide the necessary elements to help lower the internal heat, allowing your pancreas to recover, your immune system to stand down, and your body to finally transition into deep, energy-restoring sleep. If you are tired of waking up drained and bloated, and you want to explore how a targeted greens formula can support your digestive balance and lower hidden inflammation, you can check the link provided in the description below. And if you want to continue understanding the hidden biological mechanisms that truly control how you feel every day, make sure to subscribe to Human Health Archive. Because true energy doesn't come from a cup of coffee. It comes from an internal system that is finally at peace. Have you ever noticed your brain fog or bloating getting worse after eating late at night?